Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an unboxing of the Pixel 6 standard model. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. Here's the box, Team Pixel on the sides, Pixel 6. If you enjoyed this sort of content, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out all the other previous tech videos I've made on the channel. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's hop into the unboxing and first impressions of the Pixel 6 in Stormy Black, I think it's called. Okay, people, here we have the Pixel 6 itself. Let's hop right into it. Pixel 6, here's the stuff on the back. This is the 128 gigabyte model in Stormy Black. Google logo right there. And yeah, let's hop right into it. I think just a couple pull tabs off to the sides. I am really excited about this device for some reason. More excited than I was for the iPhone. I mean, you guys know that I'm a huge Android lover, and this is Android at its finest. This is stock Android, no gimmicks or anything. Wow, that is... Honestly, I thought it was going to be a little smaller. This is a little bigger than I expected. It's definitely more boxy than the S21. I'm filming on the S21, so I can't do a comparison. But yeah, this little pull tab right here, you can put your finger through to lift it up. So we'll put that off to the side, but I'd say this is manageable without a case. With a case, it's going to start getting a little bulky for me, but we'll put that right here. See what else we get in the box. We get I don't really know. I haven't seen many unboxings of this. We have a USB-C to USB-C cable for data transfer and charging. Put that over here. We have a transition cable with a female USB-A to USB-C for data transfer. And we have some probably documentation in here and such. No one really reads this, but if you're into it, oh, we have a SIM card ejector tool. That's nice. Have a quick start guide. I don't even know it's a quick start guide. That's just a manual. And yeah, quick start guide with all the documentation and such. I'm not going to read that. I don't know anyone who actually does read that, but we'll put this stuff off to the side. Good packaging, in my opinion. Google, you're doing good. Hopefully the Pixel 6a, you continue with the good packaging. And the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro that they're coming out with later this year. I'm excited for that. Let's do the old ASMR. That was very, very satisfying. Little dot right there. Here is the device. So as I mentioned, it's a little bigger than I expected. It's not insanely big. The Pro, I think the Pro is just too big. I do have a case for this by Crave, which I probably will slap on depending on how slippery this feels. It does feel a little slippery. It's not the best. No curved edges on this phone, which is good. It's just flat. Here's the back, cameras and such. You can see my reflection right here. Hello. Buttons on the side. I love the Stormy Black color on this. Nice clicky buttons. No issues there. I wish the power button was a little bigger and maybe with some texture just distinguished, but that's fine. Camera bump is huge. However, there's no camera wobble, and I love that. Front-facing camera right there with the selfie cutout, similar to the S21. USB Type-C on the bottom for charging. Let me just focus on this real quick. Maybe my camera doesn't want to focus on this. I guess not. But yeah, let's power this thing up. See if it's got any juice. And there we go. I'm actually surprised it has juice. I've had this box here for like a while now. And yeah, I just haven't set this thing up. But yeah, let me set this thing up and I will be back to show you the actual interface. Okay, we're back. We're inside the device. We have it all set up, sort of. So, first impressions on this thing. The screen, it's OLED. It's fine. It's not as good as Samsung, obviously. It's not, the colors aren't as contrasty and punchy. But one thing I am noticing is just the 90 hertz feels good. It's not as good as 120, but it feels smooth. The animations on Google are smooth, and just like the overall just like feel of the phone just like feels solid. And apparently the battery life on here is supposed to be really solid as well. Haven't looked too much into the camera, but overall snappiness seems to be good. If we just search google.com, I like the keyboard typing experience. As you can see, 90 hertz. Well, you're not going to see it on this because I'm shooting this in 60 hertz, but it's smooth. Everything loads pretty quickly with Google's new Tensor chip inside this thing. Just lock it right there, double tap, and we have the unlock using the fingerprint sensor. So everything seems snappy. Honestly, it seems more snappy than my S21, which is a little surprising. Fingerprint sensor is, people complained about it. Maybe it's not as fast as my optical one in my Samsung phone, but like, I mean, it's still fine. But yeah, other than that, I mean, it's a pretty basic phone. And I like that. I like simplicity. I like things that are easy to use. And it's going to finish like downloading all my other stuff on this phone so far. Here's the volume adjuster if you want to adjust that on the side. I'll do more testing with this, and I'll get back to you guys on my overall review of the phone. But right now, it's big. It's definitely bigger than my S21, but it feels nice, and I'll have to do more testing and stuff like that. So, thanks for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And, as always, peace out, everyone. See you on the next video. Road to 1,000 subscribers.